Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford F-150 and I will show you the fuel pump fuses and relay location. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. All the fuses and relays will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is right here, very easy accessible, just in front of the engine. Now to lift the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on each side, so you want to press them and lift up. And on the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the first thing you want to check, it's a fuse number 27, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to fuel pump relay. And fuel pump relay, it's relay number 8, which is in the upper right corner. Now the best way to test this relay, just try to replace it with one of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just get a new relay. They cost maybe $5–10 and replace it. And now in the end, if both the fuse and relay are good, it's also worth checking the fuel pump diode, which is at location number 61, and it's right here. Now the best way to test it, again, just try to replace it with the one next to it and see if that makes a difference. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.